All that's left is what looks like the balconies of these homes. Not even bedrooms. These were the walkways where you would have crossed between the blocks. Why are they still standing? I mean, they've just destroyed a neighbourhood right here. This is just horrible. Where did these residents move to? Like, where would they've gone? That is horrible. Yep, that one's. This one here has been taken back, unfortunately. This one, horrible. Yeah, they've taken back the roof. Yeah, there's that ugly crane. There's all the. That is just bad. Sad. Yeah, this is sad. Yeah. Oh, not only that. Come on, the trees as well. No. Nature as well. Just destroy everything that they want to just destroy. Sod off, bulldozers. An end to this social cleansing and luxury flat building. Build homes for everybody. I've got nothing against plush flats. What I'm against people, you know, it's a status thing. Why knocking down houses for poorer people and just causing this mess? Sod off.